Here we're being asked to solve a multiplication problem using the lattice method. And so we have to set up the entire problem. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply 43 by 434. Sometimes we put it on the left. I've seen some of the homework put it on the right. So I'm just going to put it on this side. And then I'm going to build a little grid to keep things orderly. Okay, almost there. Oops. Might be the most time-consuming part, but once we do this, we'll work quickly. There's one more thing I need to do here, and I'm going to use this color. Oops. I need to build some diagonal lines is what I need to do. So let's build this diagonal, this diagonal, this diagonal, and you'll see what we do with these here in a minute. Okay, all right, so now we can go on to our actual computation. So 3 times 4 is 12. So they occupy both spaces. 3 times 3 is 9. So we need the 0 as a placeholder. 3 times 4 or 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. And you can go in any order you want. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 3 is 12. So it looks like quite messy at this point, but now we're gonna just simply add down. But if we need to carry the one in the tens place, we'll do that and move over to the next diagonal. So the first one is just 2. Now we're gonna add 9, 1, and 6, which is 16. So I'm gonna carry the 1 to the next diagonal. Then I've got 2, 4, 6, 8. I've got 9 and 1 is 10, plus the 8 is 18. Each time carrying the 1. Whoops, I carried the 1 here, but it's in the same diagonal, so I guess it doesn't matter where I actually put it, but maybe just to kind of keep it the same, we'll put it there. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, and then bring down the 1. So I know I went a little bit, curved there, but it's the number 148,862. And just for a quick verification, it might be worth using our standard algorithm. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16, 17. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 4 times 3 is, oh, let me see. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Bring down the 1. Okay, and it helps. It helps if I delete these markings, not try to reuse them. Okay, All right, 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Now add down. 10, 8, 4, 1, and a somewhat quick check reveals we get the same answer. And so I'm confident in my results.